3 million swipes on Tinder on 20th March. That is the highest recorded till now. But yet you're single. जुदा होके भी तू मुझ में कहीं बाकी है. So without any further ado, let's begin. Welcome to the second episode of Staff 4 Online. So today we'll be analyzing some data regarding dating apps and how the consumption is increasing during quarantine. Let's talk first about Tinder. On Tinder, there has been an increase in the average conversation and the length of the conversation. Globally, there is an increase in 20% of the conversations, and the length has gone up to 25%. For India, the same would be the length. The length of the conversation is 28%, and the average number of conversations that are happening is 39%. So again, why? Again, we understand it's quarantine, but why such a drastic increase? And that also compared to all the other dating apps that are there. Currently, what Tinder has done is Tinder had a premium feature. Uh, it's called Passport. If you have the passport feature currently, you could add your location and people around that location could talk to you. So they made that feature free. I'm guessing for the entire quarantine it would be free. But again, that's a smart move. And what you can notice in this particular move is that people, like 100% people now are using the app, the feature for free. But post quarantine, maybe 10-20% may convert into being paid, into being paid subscribers for the same thing. Because again, after a certain moment of time, you get used to it, and then you want to be a paid subscriber instead of a free one. App that we'll talk about is Bumble. Bumble is a Priyanka Chopra backed dating app. So what happened in Bumble is Bumble had a general radius of 100 miles. You could talk to anyone, you could match with anyone in a 100 miles range. But currently they have cut down to that range, and they have, instead of 100 miles, it is the entire country. You can talk to anyone within the country. So again, that's again an upgrade. Since people are at home, people would generally like to have these conversations. The conclusion for the same would be, I feel every app should look at these numbers. Again, they are premium features, is that they should try giving it for free during the quarantine. Obviously people wouldn't want to buy during the quarantine, but once they get used to that particular behavior, they may end up buying the feature or the premium subscription post quarantine. You may see a 10 to 20% increase in people buying it post quarantine. I was looking at this campaign. It's called Weddings from Home. It's by Shadi.com. So a lot of people had their weddings booked during the particular months, but obviously due to quarantine and social distancing, they couldn't have that. So instead of canceling those, Shadi.com has taken this initiative to let the weddings happen. So the weddings are happening via video call. The entire custom, the entire tradition has been followed via video call. I have some pictures. Obviously, they'll be coming to the to this part of the screen.
We met online.
मैंने ऐसे रैंडम गुस्से में लाइक 3-4 लड़कों को रिक्वेस्ट भेज दी एंड सुशेल्स प्रोफाइल वाज वन ऑफ देम.
I really love our chemistry.
जो फीलिंग होती है ना लाइक मेड फॉर ईच अदर, सो आई एक्चुअली फील दैट विद.
The wedding was supposed to be in April. We had all the events planned. Everything was in motion. But Corona.
When this lockdown thing came up, I was actually like very disheartened.
Weddings from home is actually a pretty cool concept. Inviting everybody, having Panditji online, and just the whole new Gen Z thing. It's a pretty good feeling.
That's all for today. The conclusion of the entire thing, let me remind you, is first, premium features should be given for free during the quarantine, because that may get a person used to the particular feature and he may buy a paid subscription post the quarantine. Second, break any limits, because people will end up using all the features. They may get bored of your particular app. So the more features are added, the more features are free, the person gets to explore and he may spend more time on your particular app. Third thing is, do something innovative considering the norms, that is social distancing, like Shadi.com did. Wonderful initiative of the weddings from home. And again, this is the time to experiment. Thank you so much. If you have any PR related news which you want to give, you want to showcase your brand on this channel, again, this is the email ID. You can mail everything. Thank you so much.